Facebook and Twitter and YouTube. It's John, and I'm here to do another food review. And today, I'm doing a food review for Wendy's. Now, like I said in my last video, a lot of places are having new chickens and sauces and all that stuff. Well, that's no different for Wendy's. They have a new chicken tender, just like McDonald's had. Hopefully it's better though, because the McDonald's one was terrible. And they also have a new sauce with a weird name. It's called Sawsum sauce. So the cap of the thing says side of Sawsum sauce. It kind of looks very similar to the signature sauce that McDonald's has. So that's what I'm guessing it's probably tastes like. Because of course, like, they all get the same idea at the same time. So here's what their chicken tenders look like. Voila. Decent size. They come in a 3-piece meal for $5, and you can get another one for like a buck. So it'd be like $6 for a 4-piece meal. So here we go. Open the sauce. Just have that ready. It smells just like the McDonald's one. How do like two companies make the exact same sauce at the same time? Anyway, let's taste their chicken tender. It looks a lot better than the McDonald's one already. Focus on the chicken. It's a little on the dry side. It is all white meat, but it's a lot better seasoned than the McDonald's chicken tender. Let's go ahead and dunk it in the side of Sawsum sauce. That is exactly the McDonald's sauce, 100%. So, like I said with the McDonald's signature sauce, the sauce is good. They should probably keep it as one of their regular sauces. The chicken tenders are better than the McDonald's ones, and I don't think it's a surprise to anyone. Wendy's typically has better chicken products than McDonald's. Probably better beef products too. And bacon. They're just better at all the meats. But I'm going to go ahead and give the Wendy's new chicken tenders by themselves, they're a 7.8 out of 10. The sauce, really good. I forget what I get the McDonald's one, but it's the same as that. If I had to guess, I'd probably give it a 9 or so out of 10. And together, they're probably a high 8. Let's go with an 8.8 out of 10 together. Good stuff. Anyways, there's one more fast food place that has a new chicken thing, and that's what I'll be trying next. Until then, enjoy yourselves. Bye.